Hey everybody, Jeremy here with Accudraft Paint Booths for day 4 of our Accudraft Paint Pick of the Day. We're outside here at Central Hall. They're doing some drifting. It's a little loud, but I wanted to show you this killer Ranchero for our Paint Pick of the Day, number 4. This is from Randy Borcherding at Painthouse out in Texas. Now Randy is well known for his custom colors as well as the body work and the work that they've put out for a number of years. They took top 3 Battle of the Builders in 2019 for their truck, as well as they took best truck at SEMA 2019. This Ranchero was featured online for the Battle of the Builders for 2020, and this is the first time seeing it in person. It is absolutely phenomenal. You've got to get out here, check it out. It's in the Griot's booth just outside Central Hall. All you have to do is just listen for the drifting and the burnouts, and you'll be able to find it really easy. Guys, that's number 4. Take care.